You know, I'm kinda hungry. Oh, look at there. There are some the new bar on the city board and store. Nutribar, would a taste?
Hi little people, I noticed that you saw my bar. Would you like to taste it?
Do you know that it's great for your health? Right, doctor?
Vitamin minerals are important in snack since we need energy for our day.
Will you have found the perfect product? Nutribar is a small bar where we sell bars with natural and healthy ingredients.
And you can enjoy a delicious high protein snack while taking care of your health. Consume before your activities to have energy or after to replenish it.
Our main ingredients are oats, almonds, peanut butter, and beet fruit. The best thing is that we have many flavors. Have you tried Edge of Team?
Choose to consume to healthy for your health with supporting to a local brand.
Nutribar is the best bar that you can hit because combines nutrients that help give energy and the same times and vitamins E, B12, D, and C instead of taking so many pills which only cause damage in the long run. The Nutribar, which in addition to being 100% natural, is better for you health.
Whoa, they convince me. Send me a one, please.
Sure. It's only $10. It's only $10.
So cheap. Oh, very delicious.
It really. You are saying the phone number on the screen so that you can take to your home a box of bar with 20 assorted pieces. And okay. And wait, this is not all. Since we have an offer that you cannot miss, $300 is the official price. But only today, we are offering it you for only $99.
And if you call right now, we'll give you a microwave if you're one on the first 10 minutes to call. If you can be one of the first 10 to call, don't worry, because with a purchase, we give you a Mr. Nutribarcito stuffed bag.
Call and enjoy. Thanks you for watching us.
No. Necesitamos.
Will you have found the perfect product? Sell hairs with natural and healthy ingredients. Oh, look at there. There are some new bars.
Hola.
La de Rocky.
Do you know that it have a
You know, I'm.
No te ríes.
Wow, they convince me. Tell me one, please. And if
No, espera.